You say you curious, oh no. Rolling with Cody and a sweatshirt. Shit, I just might kiss. Change your Twitter. The party gets me wetter, and you know that I be lit. Cause her pussy the minute. She don't fuck with many niggas. She don't fuck with any niggas. Yeah, I call all the dips on my. I call all the nuts and nuts. I put on my ice and sleep. She puts on the ice and we stay.
Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on another headband wig. Kind of annoyed a little bit because I don't like the way my makeup came out today. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know, it's something with my eyes. Like I just really don't like it. And then when I was putting on my shirt, I got makeup on my shirt. So if you guys see that, don't mind that. So today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair, and it is their headband wig. This is 26 inches, and I believe it's deep wave or curly, I don't remember. I'll make sure I leave all the information, all the links and everything down below. Make sure you guys check that out. Always check the description box. I try to be pretty informative in my description boxes, so yeah, if you have any questions, most likely they are already answered in the description box. So this wig actually came in a bag. It didn't come in their box, which is kind of weird a little bit, but yeah, this is just how it looks right out of the bag. It's super pretty. Like super pretty. It's 26 inches, and they give me one headband to go with it. One headband. So like all headband wigs, it comes with this little elastic part, this part that you tie around the back of your head. This is how the inside looks. They just have two combs, one in the front, one in the back. And this one actually has the adjustable straps in the back, so I will be able to adjust it to my head size. I'm so excited. If you guys watched my previous headband wig review with another company, it was like a huge gap, so I couldn't do like the ponytail. So you know what? I probably will do like a high ponytail with this one. That'd probably be really, really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all the different styles that you can do with this wig. But yeah, this is just how it's looking so far. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna define the curls with some water and everything, just because I don't like how like curly hair comes at first. It just has like this crunchy film. Not just this wig, but I'm talking about curly hair in general. I always use water for my curly hair to define it and then let it air dry. Yeah, so I just have my hair in this low puff ponytail. I already did my edges. So I'm actually going to braid my puff and put it in like a low bun, just so everything is sleek and flat. Okay, so I have my bun going on, but y'all see what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna put some water in this hair because I'm not liking how that looks so far. But let me see. Okay, it actually fits, but you know what? I want to do it a little bit tighter. So I'm gonna take these adjustable straps in the back and just loop them a little bit closer together, just so the wig is just a little bit tighter. Okay, so this is how it looks right, like right when you put it on. It's super pretty, but again, I have this problem with the gapping. It's like gapping here, even though I adjusted the straps. I don't know what it is. But yeah, this gapping right here. Maybe my head is just too little for these wigs. I don't know, but yeah, so I am going to take my mixture of my leave-in conditioner. This is the Cantu curl activator, I believe. I just have it mixed with some water in my spray bottle, and I'm just going to define my curls a little bit. Okay, you guys, so after I put a little water in the hair, this is just how everything is looking. It's looking kind of the same. I expected it to look a little bit different. It has like those, this is like really curly hair. I thought it was deep wave, but it's curly, but it's still really, really pretty nonetheless. But like when I was running my paddle brush through it, it kind of got frizzy at the ends. Even when I put water on it, it's still kind of frizzy. Maybe I have to just wait till everything dries up. This headband isn't that bad. Let me zoom out just a little bit more. So with these headband wigs, they usually give you like 3 headbands with your purchase. And when you order online, they actually let you pick the color scheme for your headbands. So if I'm not mistaken, overall, let me stand up to show you guys where the wig hits me and everything. So keep in mind, this is a 26-inch wig, and it comes to almost to my hips, like to my waist. Let me put everything in the front. Yeah, so it's really, really long. If I stretch it out, it's extremely long. And I'm 5'3", so just keep that in mind. But yeah, however, I really, really like this wig. It's really pretty. I am a huge fan of the headband wigs. I think they're so easy, so convenient. Like, you've seen how fast I just like literally put this on and I'm like ready to walk out the door. You can always purchase your own headbands. I actually want to go purchase some of those Louis Vuitton headband scarves, just so I can wear those with these wigs. These wigs, they're super convenient. You need at least one in your collection, like literally. This is curly hair, but I just feel like, personally, I feel like curly hair is never out of season. I know it's getting cold, but like, I just feel like it's a wig. It's not on your head. It's not gonna make you sick. It's a wig. You literally can take it off. You don't have to go to sleep with it wet. You don't have to do anything. So especially something like this is so pretty. Like, it's so big and just, it's so pretty. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of deep wave hair, but I really, this is not deep wave, this is actually curly. You can do a ponytail if you're running errands. If you're running errands and you want to do something quick, a ponytail is always cute. Your options are honestly endless with these kind of wigs. I keep saying this, they're so convenient, super easy, perfect for beginners, literally. If you want to start wearing wigs but you just don't know where to start, I would suggest starting out with a headband wig. Yeah, so all the links to Nadula hair will be down below. Make sure you check them out. And also follow me on my social media. It's always down below. Make sure you follow my wig page. I do customized wigs, so if you guys are interested, make sure you check that out. And yeah, more videos coming this week, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Do not forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this wig, how you like this look. If you have tried the headband wigs, let me know your experience down below. But yeah, liking the video does help me out a lot. Leaving a comment does help me out a lot. So if you guys would like to see me grow and succeed, I would appreciate it if you give me a like and a comment. Hit that subscribe button below. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.